Hi students, how are you? Have you all are safe? I hope you all fine. Let us do a fun activity. Children, close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Children, open your eyes. Today we are going to learn about lesson 1, computer memory. Let us recall about memory. Computer is a machine. It has lot of uses and many advantages. Write letters, draw and color pictures, do numerical calculations, reading stories, listening movies, listening music, watching movies, playing games, any work, etc. Next one is hardware and software. The physical parts of a computer are called hardware. You can touch and see the hardware. Software, set of instructions given to the computer to do specific tasks. You cannot touch the software. Next one is memory. All information is stored in the memory of brain. Computer also has memory. Memory located on CPU. Memory divided into two types, primary memory, secondary memory. Primary memory further divided into two types, temporary memory, permanent memory. First one is primary memory. Primary memory is the memory which is used to store the data and instruction that are the immediately required by the computer. Primary memory divided into two types, permanent memory, temporary memory. Once again, permanent memory, temporary memory. First one is permanent memory. Permanent memory is one which stores data permanently. Permanent memory will not be erased even the computer is switched off. Example for ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. Next one is temporary memory. Temporary memory is one which is stored temporarily. This data is stored in a temporary location called RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. Once again, RAM stands for random access memory. Next one is secondary memory. Secondary storage devices are used to store and carry data such as text, picture, audio file, video file, etc. Some example for CD, DVD, hard disk, memory card, pen drive, floppy disk. Once again, CD, DVD, hard disk, memory card, pen drive, floppy disk. First one is CD. This is a CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is widely used in secondary storage device. The storage capacity of CD is about 700 MB. This is a DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. The storage capacity of a DVD is about 4.7 GB. Floppy disk. The floppy disk is currently outdated. It is used to store very small amount of data. The storage capacity of floppy disk is 1.44 MB. Okay children, today homework is do page number 4 and 5 in workbook. You can submit your homework in Google Classroom. Okay cuties, bye. Thank you. Be safe, be clean, stay in your home. Thank you.